Hello, this is Christian Sturtz. I'm the tech editor of 4Low Magazine. I wanted to start a YouTube channel to give you guys a little more in-depth explanation of some of the technical projects I have going on. For my first project, I wanted to tackle this 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. For this build, I wanted kind of a moderate build, something that looks nice on the road but will definitely perform off-road also without breaking the bank. So stay tuned to the channel to get some more details on this project, and like and subscribe. Thank you. So step one on the Mojave is the tires and wheels and suspension. I chose to go with the Cosmo Mud Kicker mud terrains and a 37 1350 R20 and a rolling big Cobra 50 wheel. And I had a local powder coat shop sandblast and powder coat these rings, affordable powder coat in Phoenix. I wanted to clear these 37s with the lowest lift possible. And the Mojave has a lot of upgraded parts over a stock Gladiator. It comes with Fox internal bypass shocks in the rear, and rock rails, factory rear locker, 410 gears. Up front it has bypass shocks, also internal bypass shocks, and air bumps. The Mojave also has the larger wheel openings like the Rubicon. So that being said, and not wanting to throw away any of the factory Mojave upgrades right now, I wanted to choose a lift kit that would utilize a lot of these parts. Rock Chalk makes a suspension kit. It's just a 1.5 inch kit, which will allow you to clear 37s, and it uses all the Mojave parts. Now, we do have a lot more parts laying out here than what comes with the Rock Chalk kit. We're gonna start over here in the front, and I'll kind of share with you what comes in the Rock Chalk kit and additional options that I chose for possible future upgrades. So the only thing in these two hole tables that I'm not going to do right now is the front anti-rock sway bar. And the reason being is with the bumper I'm going to use, and being a Mojave, I think I'm going to have to modify either the frame a little bit or the bumper a little bit, and it's too big a project to cover right this second. So I'm gonna leave the stock sway bar on it, and I'll do that at a later time in a later video. So the kit that utilizes the Mojave stuff comes with shock relocation brackets, spacers for the air bumps and coils. That's about it on the front. The rear comes with bump stop spacers, shock spacers, and coil spacers. I chose to go with adjustable control arms, front and rear. The reason I chose this is because if I ever decide to change the lift height later on, I don't have to rebuy any parts. I could just add taller coils and adjust the links so I don't have any alignment problems or driveline vibrations. I also added adjustable front and rear track bars. And keeping this only an 1.5 inch lift, the anti-rock sway bars are designed for around a 4-inch spring. So I had Rock Chalk send me, this would be the sway bar end length rods that would come with the anti-rock. I had them send me shorter ones for the front and also the rear. so it would keep everything in the correct geometry with the lower lift. So the advantage to these arms over stock is their girth. They're pretty stout, and on the rear, both upper and lower arms are double adjustable. So once you get them on, you just have to turn the center rod like a turnbuckle, and you can adjust the length. So I'll get these kind of dialed in close, and then I'll do my final adjustments right on the vehicle. The fronts are single adjustable, just due to the design. This would kind of jump rope with the shape of this arm quite a bit. And the front is the uppers are only single adjustable too. Another upgrade I chose to go with is the Rock Jock Johnny joint end for the housing. And all these parts are available on Rock Jock's website. And I wanted to thank John Curry and also Brandon and my longtime sales guy, Brian Shepard, for making such great products and allowing us to do the suspension system on the Gladiator.